Backhoe.
What's that, Noah?
A backhoe loader.
A backhoe loader?
And there's an excavator on it.
It has an excavator on it?
Yeah.
Show me what else it has.
A scoop and a smokestack. A smokestack. Smoke not come out.
Smoke comes out of the smokestack?
No.
No, it doesn't.
No.
Oh. What else does it have? What are these?
Claws. Game toy. That's a toy.
That is a toy.
Yeah.
Show me how the claws come down. Wow, that's pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
Who got that for you? Where'd you get that?
Me, other house.
Other house?
Yeah.
Who got it for you?
Me does. And man does. Oh, turn your big food tray on and go round and round and track.
Where did you get the backhoe loader?
For Mimi and Man.
Man. Did you get it at the mall?
Yeah, I did. Back and me for eyebrows.
Eyebrows?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Dump.
That's a pretty neat backhoe loader, huh?
Yeah. Backhoe. Loader. Backhoe. Toy. The backhoe toy.
Mm-hmm.
Backhoe toy. This is backhoe toy and backhoe. Hit the tractor.
Our tractor and backhoe loader friends.
Yeah.
Who's that on your shirt?
That's Spider-Man.
Sure is.